Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK Chainlink. Yeah, we are still here in this terrible sideways range. I mean, not sure if you've ever seen that, but a lot of viewers, loyal viewers here, know about this range that basically started on the 13th of May. So a few more weeks, and we basically have a couple of, we basically have been in this range for a year. The most recent attempt here to get close to the resistance level at 650 was not successful. So another strong setback. Probabilities for a setback were quite high given how often LINK was rejected before. But I highlighted to you, if this move is successful, it will take us out of the range. Yeah, because there was a possibility for a 1-2 setup with a third wave in the making. That third wave was not successful, and LINK failed at 3 waves. Gives us still another possible bullish interpretation, which is this one that we're saying, okay, we rallied in a wave 1. This was an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, and we could now come down in a C wave. However, in this scenario, ideally LINK doesn't go below $6. Okay, so below $6, things are going to get very difficult for LINK, and it's starting to lose support. We would drop below the previous A wave low that you can see on the chart here of the 10th of March. And it has a good chance then to test the 530 level, which is the June low, and follow the white wave count to the downside. What is the white wave count? We still have the orange count and the white count. I've been saying to you over the last few weeks that I'm leaning towards the orange one, which is the bullish breakout count, but also highlighted to you that I think this will morph a lot, yeah, because we are just in this sideways range. It's just ranging. We are identifying potentials here, possibilities for a rally. But if the rally is going to follow through, well, that is what the bulls have to do, right? So far, not successful. What I can tell you is that I think if we get out of the range, which would be a break above 950, LINK would be quite successful, yeah, and I think it is go time then. But first of all, we need to get above that 950 level, and until we do that, there is still downside pressure that could send LINK lower. And again, for me here, the sort of $6 level is key. I've got $6.03 here on the chart because that's the 78.6 FIB level, but let's not get too accurate about 3 cents, right? Because the $6 level is also a little bit of a psychological one, you know, all these round numbers are not too much, but $6 I think is more important than $6.03. So the orange count's still the one that I'm leaning to, as long as we're holding support here in this A, B, C correction, possible running flat, and then we could rally in a third wave. But again, that might morph quite a lot, this count. If we break impulsively through $6, it would raise probabilities for the white count. That would have been a wave 1 to the downside, a very complex wave 2. We could rally down in a third wave, 4 and 5 into the $3 region. Not off the table. Absolutely possible. I think what we can do at the moment, all we can do at the moment is to identify the key levels where probabilities are shifting towards this or that scenario. But yeah, very clearly defined range. I've got my grid bot running, no problem at all. From my point of view, this can carry on a little longer, you know, up and down. Absolutely happy with it. My bot trades exactly this range here, and therefore I actually enjoy if it goes up and down a bit, but that's really all, right? It needs to do the 950 break. Now, what we can do is to identify a few more levels to watch. I mean, you can see that it adhered to the 50% retracement already at 689. So these fibs seem to be relevant. Next support would be 653 and then $6. Okay. Now, there's another way of measuring target, and we can take the length of the A wave highlighted here in orange, go to the high of the B wave, and then we look for the 1-to-1 ratio as a common target for the C wave, and that would be 628. So in addition to the levels I highlighted, watch the 628 level for a possible reaction. But for now, very short term, the trend is down. Medium term, no trend, just sideways range. Okay, so but this goes up and down, so you can trade the range, but at the moment we're just sort of in the middle of the range. But within the range, we've reached support for a possible breakout count. All right, that's my update about LINK. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.